P.R. Sundar, a math teacher, learned about options from the most basic source, the stock exchange booklet, that every dealer working in a broker's office reads. He still maintains that the book is his primary source of knowledge. While the source of information was the same, the knowledge that Sundar could extract from that source was much higher than what most are capable of. When asked why he always is a seller, he quoted, "The good thing about options was that it gave one the option to choose the perfect mix between risk and reward according to one's liking. Option selling is like sitting in front of a bonfire. If you're too close, you can get burnt. If you're sitting too far, then you will not enjoy the warmth. You need to sit at the right distance from the fire." Similarly, in options, if you're trading a strike price which is too far away from the current price, the reward will be low, as will the risk. If you're trading close to the market price, then the risk will be higher. It is this flexibility that options offer, and the probability of success is what attracted me to them. I have been an option seller from the beginning. Option selling is like running an insurance company. An insurance company sells protection to many people, but only in a few cases does it have to pay claims as fewer people die. It provides for a catastrophe by taking a reinsurance cover. I buy an option only in case the strategy needs to be insured, or what in market parlance is known as hedged. Coincidentally, my journey in options started with some important market reforms prior to 2007. It was very costly to sell options. Brokerages were high, and security transaction tax (STT) was calculated on the entire contract amount. Only when the STT calculation was based on premium value and brokerage cost was reduced with the advent of online brokerages did option selling become remunerative. I write options aggressively even if they are priced at ₹1 and make ₹4 to 5 lakh a week. This opportunity was not there in 2007 to 2008 as the cost of doing business was high. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to Stock Saga's channel.